Pin chop. Pinch up with me, boys. You're too far. Pa-clear na mobs. Clear the mobs, kasi WC na mobs. Spread. Don't get clump. Spread out. Don't get clump, boys. Spread out. Just spread. Marking the color. Wait. Finding the color. Sa mga color nila. Keep walking west side. It's fine. Keep walking west side. Spread, boys. Spread. I can find their color, they're looking. They have bomb, They have bomb, boys. They have like color bomb. Looking west, defensive in front, defensive left. Okay, walk north now. Walk north. Walk in north. Keep walking north. Look west down. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. In this bomber. Drop. In this bomber. Drop. Keep dropping. Kill this. Golden, support. Nice. They don't have root bomb. Spread down. Don't get counter. Spread. Full defensive in front. He's in front. Full defensive in front. Giga in front. Full defensive in front. He's in front. Now walk in the choke. Night helmet in the choke. She's in the choke. Walk in.
Hilbert.
Now, shallow west down. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Shallow ends. Huge. Drop. Keep dropping. Now come back west side. Come back inside. Full defensive in front. He's in front. Now come back west side. He's in front. Walk in west side. He's in front.
Hilsa kami.
Walk in west side. We shallow in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Headbutt. Drop. Headbutt. Keep trapping. Bam. Come inside now. Come back inside. Walk east side. Stabilize east side. Walk east side. Keep walking east side. Bam. Careful bam. Come back east side. Walking east side. Go east side. Come back east side. Keep walking east side. Heels in front. Now look west. We deep west. 5, 4. Defensive in front. Full defensive in front. Giga. Heels in front. Counter. We counter in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Shallow. Roots. Drop. Please. Oh my God. No damage. Come back south. Keep walking south. Where's my damage? I think this is GG, boys. Call for round 3. Round 2.
Wala pa isa.
I don't have damage. Patay akong damage. Wala na akong damage. Isa na lang akong DPS. Call GG. GG. No DPS.